Candidate number 4. And candidate number 5. Number 6 and number 7. So let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. So we are still tabulating, and we will announce the result later on. So can we have our lovely candidates be at the backstage for now? So you rest, chomp. Diba, pinasports attire. Ay. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, can we have Sir Francis Heroy for his closing remarks?